Hey guys, Monday, November 25th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow did today in the US session. I'm looking at the not D's, January, F25. I just kind of want to see what's cooking here. And so far, you can see that we're under the value area high of 365, and we are kissing and bunting heads with the point of control, which is 356. So it makes sense why we're having a tough time here. Looking at the January contract of next year. I don't want to give this too much value, the anchor VWAP, because I don't know where it's anchoring it from when I go to a specific contract. So we'll ignore that. But you can see that the volume for today and Friday was very bearish on the January. Looking at our simple glance, we're bunting and very extreme and even kissed the 200 SMA on the daily. So very risky right here. And it looks like we have been under the cloud and kind of getting our heads out, but in an area where it's very risky to start even piling a position as of yet. MACD is still positive. Linear regression are pointing sideways to lower. So very risky here, in my opinion. Looking at the midpoint chart, looks like we have a PPS buy signal and we're kind of hanging out on the lows of 355. MACD, mobiles are positive, but you're below the yearly midpoint. You can see right here, we are above on the monthly midpoint. Having a tough time here at that 363. And on the 4 hour, we already have you can say a PPS sell signal, but it all depends where this candle is going to close. So on the January contract, watch out for 336. That's your line in the sand for this whole week. And if you're using January to trade in the next couple of days, knowing that the U.S. holidays already we're feeling the effects. Watch out for 348 because that's your midpoint for tomorrow only. Mobiles are negative. There's a lot of indicators. My soaps are already giving me sell signals here. It already started here on the 4 hour. And the hourly mobiles are negative, and the Stokes are just kind of unwinding down sideways. Let's go now for the folks that are trading the December one. You can see that we are below the is that right? See, yep, December. We are below the point of control at 350 and finding support here, but volume is dwindling here on the December. So people are maybe actively more on the January. Same thing applies. Linear regression channel, very risky. Trading over here, unless it's going to do like a dollar move, a parabolic move, but I don't see that yet. We're hitting point of control up 349. MACD is still positive, although the linear regression is a little more sideways slant, but you're above the cloud on the short term. And looking at our midpoint, same thing, PPS buy signal, mobiles are good, Stokes are good, you're above the midpoint on the monthly, things look good here. But we'll concentrate more here on the hourly. You can see the, not hourly, 4 hour, we're just kind of finding support at this quadrant, which is 328, is not even getting to the midpoint of the week, which is 319. And we can see that maybe this is going to be support, but I don't know. It's going to start getting slow and quiet because of the holidays, and a lot of traders are already left for the Hamptons or for family stuff. And you can see that the 4 hours is slightly sideways to a little bias to the downside, and the mobile is already giving us clue for that. But the trend is still positive, just choppy right here. Close below 319, and things could be very interesting in the next for the first week of December. Hourly, this candle right here was already telling me in this one, but it started moving higher, that things could probably start grinding to the upside. Kissed to 75%, which is a 343, but failed. Put a high somewhere around 346. And just kind of now sideways with a PPS sell signal on the hourly. But now you need to get above 336 in order to continue the momentum higher, at least to test 356. Tomorrow's overnight session in US Open. If we are below 336, watch out. These things maybe could start either sideways to slightly grind lower if we can regain 336. Now, if we go sideways in between 303 and 341, that's fine. But stay below 336 and 330. Definitely close below the 200 moving average. It's going to start maybe unwinding. I'm on the sidelines. I'm just watching. I want to see if we're going to take out 356 or we're going to take out 307. Right here is all noise unless you want to scalp. It's good. But I want to see if there's more upside or there's more downside so I could jump in. Goes higher, I'm going to jump in. If it goes lower, I'm going to jump into the short side. And I think I lean more to the short side just because of the large speculators are short. Seasonality indicates that it goes lower around this time frame to January, February. And the daily cycle, if this is the right one that is going to work out here, it's pointing down also into January, February. That's it for me. Hope you liked this video. I'm going to sign out, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Black Widow.